When you are manifesting and cultivating your deepest desires, it's planting the seed and letting the seed harvest. You got to nourish it. You got to water it. So imagine a garden. Imagine planting a seed in a garden. You put a seed down in the ground. 90% of the work is going to be done under the ground before it even penetrates the surface. It's the same as manifestation and cultivation of your own internal desires. When you plant this seed for a new life that you want to live, this new desire, this new fantasy that you have as a perfect life, when you plant that seed, let that seed grow and harvest. Allow that seed to do most of the work internally within you before it externally shows and displays. So you're manifesting from inward outward. That is how manifestation comes. You also have to visualize. You have to already see yourself in that position. One thing Floyd Mayweather said, he says, I already knew I was going to be a boxing champion of the world. He already seen it. He planted that seed when he was a child. And as he grew, he nourished that seed by practicing, drilling, and rehearsing, by putting water on that seed. And then look at that seed blossom. So when you are manifesting something, manifest from the inward outward and allow it to nourish it, continue to nourish the seed, allow it to grow, allow it to dig into the roots of your soul and your body. And then and imagine it. Imagine it when it's blossoming. Imagine when it's coming out of the ground and penetrating the surface of the world. So that is what you have to imagine. You have to imagine, okay, I'm planting a seed inside me. I'm manifesting and cultivating my deepest desire, my deepest dream. So I'm going to plant this seed now. And every day I'm going to nourish it with affirmations of confirmation of affirmations, affirmation, self-talk, self-belief, and inspire yourself, motivate yourself, nourish it, and just watch that seed. It's going to grow internally. You're going to feel the change within you. You're going to feel how that seed is spreading through your body, through your cells, how the energy and the light's coming into your body. And once it does, it's going to start coming out from outward, and you're going to start seeing what you're manifesting and cultivating once that seed starts to do the work that it has to do on the inside of you.